Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 11th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. And we are on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So, anyways, on the pound dollar, first of all, we got CPI inflation data coming out today. Very big news event for the dollar pairs. Now, the problem with the analysis I'm about to share with you is that the very high time frames are in an uptrend. When the high time frames are in an uptrend, sometimes these sort of time frames you'll think it's going to go down, but it actually just keeps on going up because the higher time frame trend is your friend. Now, based on this sort of time frame, I do think this looks like a five-wave impulsive move. This also looks like a fairly impulsive move, so it looks like an A. This looks like a potential like expanding flat right here, if you ask me, for like a wave B, and it looks like we may be actually going down right now for a wave C. If that's true, it potentially would go down, take out these previous lows before it ended up continuing the uptrend. Now, in the middle of next week, we have rate news for the US. So I'm thinking that today's inflation data may cause this to go down and for the rest of the week into next week. And then maybe next week, the rate news is what's going to cause this to end the correction and potentially continue the uptrend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.